how to invest in crypto. Hi guys, in this video I would like to answer the question how to invest in crypto. But before we'll do this, I would like to look at what crypto is and what are crypto wallets and why they are important. So cryptocurrency is digital money, but if we'll have a look at Google definition, a cryptocurrency is a digital currency which is an alternative form of payment created using encryption algorithm. Why do you need crypto wallet? So in the same way as you store your cash in the physical wallet, you need to have crypto wallet to store your assets or to store your crypto. And we have different options when it comes to crypto wallets. So if we have a look at Investopedia, we have two main types of wallets. We have custodial and non-custodial. Custodial wallets are hosted by a third party that stores your keys for you, which, for example, it could be any cryptocurrency exchange. That could be Binance, that could be Crypto.com, that could be Maxi, KuCoin, and any others. So we have public and private keys. Public keys is where you share this with others, so people can make a transfer to your account and send you some crypto. Private keys are for you, so then you can access your crypto. And if we look at this, for example, as a house, so if you have your private keys and then you can access your home, you don't want to share this with anyone else, because if you will pass your keys to a stranger, that means that that stranger will be able to go to your home and then take from your home whatever they like. And this is exactly how it works when it comes to crypto wallet. So if anyone else except from you have access to your private keys, that means that they will be able to access your coins and they can send them wherever they like. So this is very important to understand this before you invest a lot of money and before you will keep this money or this cryptocurrency on the exchange. Because if something happened to cryptocurrency exchange and they go into bankruptcy, that means that you will lose access to your coins because you don't own your private keys. This is very important to understand. And when with non-custodial, this is when you have access to your own keys. And if we'll have a look at the definition, non-custodial wallets are wallets in which you take responsibility for securing your keys, which is very important. And ideally, this is what you would like to do if you don't day trade. This is where you would like to make sure that you store the asset on the wallet. And we have also different options when it comes to wallet. We have two main subcategories. So we have hot and cold wallet. Hot wallet has access and it's connected to the internet. Cold wallet, it's not. So that's the difference. And then we have also three other subcategories. So we can have hardware wallet, software wallet, or paper wallet. Software wallets include applications for mobile and desktop devices, like for example Trezor, which is also a hardware wallet. This is when you will be able to own your private keys, because when you purchase the hardware wallet, the Trezor wallet, this is when you will be provided with private keys and you will have to write them down and keep in a secure place. But with Trezor, you will be also able to have access on your phone. So if you would like, you can use the app and then you can also check your balance or transfer your coins. So this is how you can use them. We can also have the same option with Ledger. And if you would like to purchase either Trezor or Ledger wallet, you can use the link below in the description section. Okay, so now we understand why do we need to have hardware wallet when it comes to crypto. Now we can go through and explain how to invest in crypto. So the first and the most important rule is to invest money that we are also keen to lose. And this is not only when it comes to cryptocurrency, this is also when it comes to investing in any asset, because even when we look at stock or the company can also go into bankruptcy, which means they will go to zero. And this is exactly the same when it comes to crypto. Also, what I would suggest to do some research to understand the specific coin, especially when it comes to meme coins. And I created a video which also explains how to find the meme coins, which you will be able to find a link above. But if we'll come back to how to invest in crypto, so invest only money that you are keen to lose. And I would like also to give you an example which I had recently. So my friend has messaged me because he was very stressed about the fact that he invested in crypto. He actually wasn't sure what he's doing, but he invested over £100,000 into Bitcoin and the price started going down, which he didn't expect to happen. But because the price of cryptocurrency is very volatile, which means you can see a big price jumps when it comes to cryptocurrency, he was really worried if he's going to lose all of his money or not. If he would invest the money that he's keen to lose, he will be completely fine to watch the price going down for a short period of time and still hold into it. So the most important part is to invest money that we are keen to lose. And yes, trading or investing is a long-term game. So even if you start with small capital, whatever it is, and if you will compound them over time, this is when you will be able to have some profits. And this is what is all about investment. It's a long-term trading. So we are not looking to take profits straight away. We are going to take profits after some longer term. And when it comes to investing, it's really also important to take profits, especially partial profits. And I think the best rule that I've been taught by my mentor, it's after your initial investment double in price. So for example, you invested $1,000 into cryptocurrency. When this doubles, so now this cryptocurrency that you own, it's worth 2,000. This is where you take your initial back, which means you take 1,000 back. Then you have your initial investment where you can reinvest this somewhere else, and then you have basically free coins, which are no risk. So whatever they are going up, this is when you can start take your partials. And personally, I think this is a very good strategy to have. Of course, you can change this and make it suit your needs, but I found this very useful, and it really keeps you sane because you don't worry about the money anymore because there is risk-free investments. If you would like to understand how you can buy a cryptocurrency, I made already a video for you, and you will be able to find the link above. I explain how to buy coins on Mexi exchange, but the same principles apply to any different exchange. Thanks for watching and happy trading!